Dorico 6 adds yet more improvements to its playback features. Let's have a look. Now, possibly the headlining playback feature in Dorico 6 is cycle playback, where you choose start and end points in your music, between which playback will continuously loop. I've made a dedicated video about cycle playback, so please do check that out. Dorico 6 includes a new set of sounds for marching percussion. We've produced this in partnership with Tapspace, developer of the acclaimed virtual drumline sound library. There are 4 patches in Marching Percussion Basics, one for each of the main instruments of the drumline: marching basses, tenors, snares, and cymbals. Each of the patches have a few articulations, making this sound set an excellent introduction into the world of marching percussion. Since version 1, Dorico has allowed you to edit the playback positions and durations of notes without affecting the written notation. This is how we've been able to add the various humanization effects to playback, where the start position of notes are randomly adjusted by tiny amounts, mimicking natural human playback by actual real-life performers. Dorico 6 now humanizes the duration of notes as well, by way of a new playback option: humanize end positions of notes by a certain percentage. Tonuto articulations have always slightly extended the played duration of notes, but in some music you might want these articulations to marginally increase the dynamic level instead, or indeed as well. You can now control this separately from the duration effect in the Note Dynamics section of Playback options. And finally, now when you navigate between flows using commands such as using Go to Flow in the jump bar, the playhead will also move to that flow, so you can immediately start playback. There are dozens of improvements in Dorico 6 across all areas of the software. Please look out for my other videos that cover Dorico 6's main features, as well as general improvements to notation, engraving, and workflow. I'm Anthony Hughes. Thanks for watching.